Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The best kitchen mat is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items in any home, transforming a potentially uncomfortable and hazardous workspace into a comfortable and safe haven for culinary enthusiasts and busy parents alike. Imagine standing for hours preparing meals, washing dishes, or simply managing the daily chaos of family life without the strain on your feet, back, and joints. This isn't just about cushioning, it's about enhancing your kitchen experience and promoting well-being with every step you take. Number 5. Rorecay 6 PCS Oven Mitts and Pot Holders Set. Introducing a comprehensive set designed for your kitchen needs. This collection offers superior protection for all your cooking and baking adventures. Experience worry-free cooking with our heat-safe accessories, designed to withstand temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. They provide exceptional defense against extreme heat. Enjoy a secure and comfortable grip thanks to the unique textured surface. These items are crafted for both sturdiness and flexibility, ensuring ease of use. Made with BPA-free, food-grade silicone, these kitchen essentials are non-toxic and built to last. They are also waterproof and resistant to stains for long-lasting appeal. Unlike others, our quilted liner is made of premium natural cotton, offering great comfort and control without sacrificing dexterity. It provides excellent protection for your hands and forearms. Cleaning up is a breeze with these accessories. Simply rinse or wipe them clean, or toss them in the washing machine for effortless maintenance. This beautifully packaged set makes an ideal gift for anyone who loves to bake or cook. It includes everything needed for a safe and enjoyable culinary experience. What we like? This set offers superior forearm protection with its extra-long mitts, making it ideal for handling large, hot dishes. Its high heat resistance up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit ensures safety during intense cooking. If you frequently bake or cook with heavy, hot cookware and want maximum protection for your hands and forearms, this is the set for you. What people say. The pad is easy to fold and store, saving space in my kitchen. It provides excellent insulation, keeping my countertops cool even when I'm baking. The material is durable and easy to clean, which is a big plus for a kitchen item. Number 4. 3-pack foldable silicone trivets. Crafted from food-grade silicone, these trivets offer excellent heat and cold resistance, ensuring both safety and health for your family. With a substantial thickness of 0.63 inches, they provide superior heat insulation, effectively protecting your tabletops from hot pots and pans. These versatile trivets can withstand temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 428 degrees Fahrenheit, making them safe for use in ovens, microwaves, dishwashers, and freezers. Perfect for home kitchens and dining rooms, they serve as pot mats, table mats, and plate mats. Their foldable and detachable design makes them easy to carry for picnics and outdoor meals. Enjoy effortless storage with their compact, foldable design. They easily expand for use and fold down to a fraction of their size, saving valuable space in your kitchen. Cleaning is a breeze, and their lightweight, foldable nature makes them your ideal companion for meals on the go. What we like? This trivet features a unique foldable design that saves significant space in your kitchen. Its thick construction provides excellent heat insulation, protecting your surfaces effectively. If you have limited storage space or enjoy picnics and need a portable, easy-to-clean solution for hot pots and pans, this is a great choice. What people say. The pad is easy to fold and store, saving space in my kitchen. It effectively insulates my countertops from hot pots and pans, preventing damage. The material is durable and easy to clean, making it a practical addition to my kitchen. Number 3. Creative Folding Insulation Pad Silicone Pot Holders. Introducing our innovative folding insulation pad. It's designed to protect your surfaces from hot pots and pans, keeping your countertops safe from burns. With its smart foldable design, this trivet is incredibly easy to store and saves valuable space in your kitchen. It makes everyday life more convenient and can even double as a table decoration. The hollow design at the bottom provides excellent non-slip and wear-resistant properties, ensuring it won't damage your table. It's perfect for use as a pot mat or table mat in any dining setting. This versatile tool is a great helper in the kitchen and for meals, functioning as a pot holder, table mat, or dish mat. It's multifunctional, convenient, and easy to carry for picnics. Cleaning is a breeze as it doesn't absorb oil or water. Simply wipe it clean, and it dries quickly without fading or staining, ensuring long-term use without deformation. What we like. This insulating pad boasts a creative folding design that is both lightweight and easy to store, adding a touch of style to your table. The non-slip hollow base ensures it stays put and protects your surfaces without causing damage. If you're looking for a functional yet decorative kitchen accessory that is easy to carry and use for picnics or everyday meals, this is a fantastic option. What people say. This folding insulation pad is a game changer for my kitchen. It's incredibly easy to fold and store, saving me valuable counter space. The insulation properties are excellent, keeping my countertops cool even when I'm using my oven or stovetop. I love how versatile this pad is. I use it not only as a heat protector but also as an extra cutting board or a trivet for hot pots. The material is durable and easy to clean, which is a huge plus in a busy kitchen environment. Number 2. Nuvantee Revolutionary Table Pad. Introducing a revolutionary table pad designed for ultimate protection. Its unique blend of materials makes it lighter, stronger, and longer lasting than anything else on the market. Simply lay it on your table for instant protection. It lies flat, ensuring your table always looks beautiful while safeguarding it from spills and heat. Protect your table from hot dishes with this durable vinyl pad. While it offers excellent heat resistance, we recommend using a trivet for extremely hot items. Keep your valuable table safe from messy spills and water damage. Cleaning is a breeze, just a simple wipe with soap and water is all it takes. This premium table protector, featuring a soft flannel backing, is the best way to keep your table safe from damaging spills and heat. Measuring 52 by 108 inches, it can be easily cut to fit any table size perfectly, offering tailored protection for your dining surface. What we like. This table protector offers a revolutionary design that lies flat, providing a seamless and elegant look for your dining table. It's waterproof and protects against spills and heat, with the ability to be cut to fit any table size. If you want to safeguard your valuable table from daily wear and tear, spills, and moderate heat without compromising on aesthetics, this is the ideal solution. What people say. The pad is very effective at keeping my countertops cool, even when I have hot pots and pans on it. It folds up easily for storage and doesn't take up much space. The material is durable and easy to clean, which is great for everyday use. Number 1. Extra large silicone kitchen counter mat. Introducing our premium silicone mat, crafted from food-grade silicone. It's completely safe for daily use and an excellent addition to any home. Featuring a double thickness design, this mat is twice as thick as standard mats. This makes it stronger, more durable, and provides superior heat insulation. This extra large mat offers ample coverage for your kitchen island or countertops. It's made from eco-friendly, BPA-free silicone and can be easily cut to fit your needs. With a wide temperature resistance, it's perfect for protecting various surfaces from spills, scratches, and heat. Use it under appliances like air fryers and microwaves. Cleaning is a breeze with warm soapy water, and it's even dishwasher safe. You can easily roll or fold it for convenient storage and portability. This versatile mat is ideal for kitchens, dining tables, and workbenches. It's a practical and thoughtful gift for anyone looking to simplify their daily tasks. What we like. This extra-large silicone mat provides extensive coverage for your kitchen island or countertops, offering superior protection. Its double thickness ensures enhanced durability and better heat insulation compared to standard mats. If you need a robust, large-scale protector for your countertops against spills, scratches, and heat, especially for areas with high activity or for use under appliances, this mat is perfect. What people say. The pad is foldable and easy to store. It provides good insulation and keeps the floor cool. The material is durable and easy to clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.